How well I remember the Karachi of the 50s. Everything was so safe and peaceful. On the economic front, the scheming trawlers had not yet started to plough the sea's upset meadow. And on the political front, there was a great deal of rhetoric without any real achievement. Ethnic violence was unheard of, and public enemy number one was the bicycle thief. In the 50s, there was considerable respect for the law. Stopping at the red light was absolutely mandatory, and offenders were duly punished. There weren't many cars in the city in 1950, but for the student who seemed never to be in any kind of hurry, there was always the good old bicycle. This ever-reliable two-wheeler took me literally everywhere, to school, to the sharbat stalls of Bori Bazaar, the dances at the Loco, the cinema, the Kotari parade at Clifton, Matt's tuition in Southern, the Nihari shops on Burns Road, Irani restaurants that served delicious trotters, Napier Road to gawk at the dancing girls, rooftop jiving sessions on Victoria Road, and Cincinnatus town, where young guitar-wielding Goan men still serenaded their sweethearts on the balconies. There was a popular picnic spot that the bicycle couldn't reach. The place was called Sandspit. To get to this stretch of beach, we had to take a tram which trundled along its metal vanes from Empress Market to Kemari, from where we hopped into a bunderboat. Of all the thoroughfares through which I pedaled my Hercules bicycle, the one which had the most distractions also happened to be the main artery of Southern. In 1951, Elphinstone Street was the center of the universe. Traffic moved both ways and cyclists often rode 6 abreast. Ghulam Muhammad & Sons was the closest thing Karachi had to a department store, and if one wanted cold cuts or Swiss liqueur chocolates, the English cold storage was the place to visit. When word got around that a new Mozart violin concerto had made an appearance in the city, the Western classical music buff headed for Haydn and Company, where records were neatly arranged in racks. And if one wanted a first-class Chinese meal, there was no place like the ABC restaurant, named after America, Britain, and China. These are some of the vignettes that take me back to the Karachi of the early 50s, a city that was safe and peaceful, and where nobody ever seemed to be in any kind of hurry. People were also very tolerant, especially in the coffee houses, where it was fashionable to hold left-wing views and to express anti-establishment sentiments. What a pity those lazy, carefree days are gone forever, like picture postcards, yellowed with age, stored in a half-forgotten trunk, never to be opened again.